Assalamualaikum my lovely YouTube family, welcome back in my YouTube channel. How are you guys? Hope you will be fine. You will see the stylish and most beautiful, latest and amazing nails art ideas for my channel. Latest and stylish and most beautiful fancy nails art ideas and stylish different nails art ideas for my channel. How was the video? How are the designs? How much beautiful and stylish new fancy nails art ideas for my channel. Adorable and amazing new fancy nails art ideas for my channel. More than hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new designs ideas, all these are very beautiful, latest and amazing new fancy nails designs ideas. More than hundreds of new designs ideas daily on my channel. Different fancy nail designs and different nails art ideas for my channel. How was the video? How the designs? Most beautiful fancy nail designs ideas for my channel. More than hundreds of new designs ideas, all nails are very beautiful and amazing. Fancy nails art ideas for my channels. Please guys subscribe my channels and press the bell icon. And press the bell icon, you will get notifications of all my videos. And you will never miss any video, any collections, and you will see the stylish, fabulous, latest and unique new fancy nails art ideas, different nail designs, and all nails art ideas for my channel. How was the video? How the designs? How much beautiful and stylish new fancy nails art ideas for my channel. Short nails and different nail designs ideas for my channel. New nail designs ideas and different stylish fancy nail designs ideas for my channel. More than hundreds of new designs ideas, all nails are very beautiful, latest and amazing new fancy nail designs ideas for my channel. More than hundreds of new designs ideas, all nails are very beautiful, latest and amazing fancy nail designs ideas, and elastic nails, mid-summer nail designs ideas for my channel. How was the video? How are the designs? How much beautiful and stylish different new fancy nails art ideas for my channel. Till next video guys, and